Alright guys, just here to make a video showing that we no longer have the pit bikes. We're gonna get rid of all of this. No more videos. Yeah, I just didn't really like the YouTube community that much. So yeah. What the heck? What? What the? Whoa! Alright guys, that was just a joke, by the way. Totally still have the pit bikes. I've actually been practicing my wheelies. Today we will be going to the far neighborhood. If you guys have seen my videos before, you guys know exactly what neighborhood it is. It's the one with the park ranger. The Circle K is right next to it. That didn't work. I want to let you guys know that I am moving, and I am moving away from B-Rad. Okay, and you know, he's extremely upset, you know, all that, but it has to happen, and it's for the best of us, because where we are moving to, there are empty fields everywhere. So I'll be moving this Wednesday, and I plan to have a video, or I plan to have this video out. I plan to have three videos out this week. This is the first video, and I'll have a second one tomorrow, which is my crazy adventure with Brad, and hopefully we don't get the cops called on us, because it's where we're going. It's like it's a canal area. It was in my first episode. Ah. Okay. Oh, that did not feel good. This is kind of cool. Another reason I go slow on this bike is because I have no traction on either of my tires. I'm about to order some tires soon, but I don't know which ones to get. I don't know if I should go with street or if I should go with dirt tires. What? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Alright, I'm gonna try to get away from the street. You guys say what you want, but what is that? Oh, that's the new Sprouts. I hate Sprouts. This is kind of cool, huh? It's actually kind of cool. Hold on, I want to jump this. I want to jump this. This is kind of cool. I'm going to try to see if I can jump this. A pit bike? I swear, a pit bike is a mini, like, it's not even it's just a bicycle. That's what I think it is, because every time I can bunny hop this, and I can bunny hop my bike, so. These weird workout machines. Because we're too fat. I'm too fat. So they have these workout machines here for me. They probably knew I was coming. This is kind of sick. Brad! Oh gosh. Is this packed down? That'd be so nice if this is packed down. I doubt it though. Let's see. Oh, surprisingly, it is. Well, that's not gonna happen. Let's try first gear. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is kind of cool. Yeah, it's not really packed down, but not packed down. Oh, that's pipe. Whoa, I did not see that. Totally forgot. Ow! Oh my god. What the heck? You didn't see it? No. I saw it like last second. Are you okay? Yeah. I was just gonna lift mine over. I'm like, crap, someone just really, I'm like, what is he trying to do? Nothing broke? No. Nothing yet? That's...
I wasn't even suspecting that, dude.
That was hilarious. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was so funny. All I feel is the little pole thing move, and all I see is woo. freaking Brad. That's his. I think that's his first like official. Whoa, that is glass. My back. I think that was his first official crash. Nice job. I have yet to crash on this. I saved myself at the last second, and it's crazy. Like it's crazy how I just clutched the freaking landing. Holy crap, that was getting sketchy for a little bit. I started swerving like that. Oh, I don't want to go all the way over there. That's the road. Whatever, I guess we'll do it anyways. Dang it. This is so funny. Oh, that was so gross. Freaking dead fish. Almost ran it over. Hey, let's go right here. Now we're going to the huge street. I didn't even... Well, I guess the good part about this is this goes under. That looked like a cop. That is not a cop. I'm just paranoid because I don't know. I could. Here we go. Holy crap, my ears. She didn't like it.